New Orleans is all about music and food, and we had plenty of that today, y'all. We got some live music going around Bourbon right now. We're gonna enjoy what New Orleans is all about. All right, y'all, come on, let's take a look. Absolutely, and we're about to meet a legend.
I walked out in my backyard.
Shoot day. We're meeting a culinary genius right now. Executive Chef John Folse. I'm hungry. I hope y'all are. Excuse me. And it's just slowly turning off right now. Enjoy some of his world-class cuisines here in New Orleans. Y'all, I've had a delicious meal. I absolutely enjoyed myself. I'm almost in a food coma right now. I've had so much good food. You know, it's unbelievable. You know, Chef John Folse was explaining to us about how New Orleans, you know, is made up of these 7 major nations that all are great chefs, and they all brought their own special pizzazz to the cuisine here of New Orleans. So it's absolutely a fantastic experience. You have to try Restaurant Revolution if you're in New Orleans, because it's not just fine dining, it's fine dining with the history of New Orleans, because they take historically accurate foods and they bring a modern twist to it, and it gives a truly unique experience that you can't find anywhere else.
There you go.
Oh my God.
Perfect.
That was the best tasting fish I've ever had.